Hey guys, today we're going to talk about urine formation. We're going to identify the characteristics of a countercurrent mechanism and explain its role in the concentration of urine. So what is a countercurrent mechanism? It is a mechanism that ensures that the medullary interstitial fluid becomes hypertonic and concentrated urine is produced. Where is it located? It's located in the nephron loop consisting of the descending and ascending limbs. Here's a visual of the nephron loop, also known as the loop of Henle. You see the descending limb, which is thin, and you see the ascending limb, which is thick. So here are a list of 5 steps that tells us how the countercurrent mechanism works. I'm going to go ahead and skip to the next slide where you'll see the same exact steps. It'll just be next to a visual to make it easier to understand. So number 1, there's an active ion pump of the thick ascending limb that pumps sodium chloride into the medullary interstitial, raising the concentration. You see that here. The ascending limb, which is thicker, pumping sodium chloride into the interstitial fluid. Number 2, tubular fluid in the thin descending limb and interstitial fluid quickly reach osmotic equilibrium because of osmosis of water out of the descending limb, which you see here. We have our descending limb and we see the osmosis of water into the medullary interstitial. Okay, number 3, because of the additional flow into the loop of Henle from the proximal tubule, here's our proximal tubule, which pushes the fluid into the descending limb. It causes a hyperosmotic fluid from the descending limb to flow into the ascending tubule. So here we see it flows up into the ascending limb. I want you guys to think about water park rides using water pressure to force people through the ride. Number 4, as the descending limb reaches equilibrium with the medullary interstitial fluid while continuing to push tubular fluid into the ascending limb, here, more solute is pumped out of the tubules into the medullary interstitium, and this is from both limbs. This is the water from the descending limb and the sodium chloride from the ascending limb. Number 5, all of these steps repeat until eventually raising the interstitial fluid osmolarity to 1200 to 1400, then resulting in concentrated urine. Thank you guys for watching.